Good Sunday afternoon. It's quiet and pretty out here. It is really quiet and pretty. Thought we would go for a stroll early. I thought I'd take a different one. They've got their dogs out here, they're so cute. Hope everybody's having a good day. I do. This dog is adorable. He's putting a leash on it. But it is pretty out here. Oh. I seen somebody was playing. See, I seen somebody playing. Are you pretty? I see you. You are. Hi. Look at you. Well, you're a big one, aren't you? Say, but I'm pretty. That's all that matters, yeah.
She thinks the world loves you, so.
Say, you're pretty. Yes, you are.
Yeah.
Are you having fun? You are? Oh,
You have
you're
dogs?
pretty. You are pretty.
Do you have dogs?
I have cats. I
You have
used to, but oh my
We
gosh.
we had both growing up when I was a kid, but she's a.
Now, what
she's
is
our third
she?
Dog. She's a mix.
She's
She
beautiful.
looks like a, like one of those designer dogs. But she's poodle. She's mostly poodle, Bernese Mountain Dog, and she's got a little bit of golden retriever in her.
Say I'm pretty. Say I'm pretty. That's all that matters.
'Cause I'm a mutt.
Say who cares? 'Cause those are the best, aren't they? You're pretty. Yes, you are. Go play.
You have a good one.
You too.
I had cats growing up too. They were fun to
I mean, I've had dogs. I love them,
Yeah.
but
It's tough because a cat you can actually, you can have somebody come by and check on your cat
yeah.
and they're okay. You can't really do that with your dog. You
Yeah, I
gotta
miss
stay
having
with
a dog. Say I miss having a dog.
it.
Say soon.
Have a good one.
You too. Cutie Woody. Hello. This dog is so freaking cute. She's like, I'm not having it. But she's cute. Oh. Oh, that was our first little poochie woochie. Oh. I hope y'all enjoyed it too, because I did. Let's see how long this little poochie woochie will go. She's out running. I do miss them. I miss having a doggy. Can't be the only one. So let's see what we got down here. Let's see. I see a pretty red cardinal. Let's see. Do you see that? See, and I flew off. No squirrels yet. Well, I said that, and there comes one. So not much to really talk about except for Ay, ay, ay. Fell asleep to somebody hollering Edna. And I'm like, what in the world is wrong with people? I heard an elderly woman being spoke to. My God. In no way that I would ever speak to my own mother or grandmother. It's horrible. Horrible. And they call that celebrity blogging. Sorry if that's not popular to say, but I'm saying it. Sometimes people need to be mindful of their elders and how they're talking to them. Respect your elders. My God. And I'm not even going to give that person a name. Except for I call him Thoughty McDickens. And his husband was no better. And if that doesn't get called out, my God, I don't know what would. Threatening an elderly woman. Called her everything, I think, but, well, saying Edna once, twice maybe, 3 times, I don't know. Disgusting. And that's probably the sickest I think I've seen on the streets of YouTube. And that continues to go on. I'm glad I didn't hear all of it or the rest of it. Don't want to. I think I had heard enough. So if you missed it, it's probably a blessing. So if you learn anything, just, my God, respect your elders. I mean, just a lot of respect. Even a little goes a long way. But my God, you have no right to talk to anybody like that, regardless. Especially your elders. Who do you think you are? Lord. My God, if we don't need God, we need Him now. And people think that that's just the greatest thing ever. No, it's just disgusting, and it shows who you are. Keep supporting trash. And then we had some Sunday service today. Excuse me. Sorry, Wilson. Sorry. They're all out today, these cute pups.
An open house at our house, and we're like, what are we gonna do with the dogs and children?
Say welcome.
Welcome.
Best idea ever. So yeah, I had to say something about that, because that right there, it left me with a bad taste. So it needs to be more positive. And not respecting your elders, that's not positive. It's horrible. In my opinion. So, fell asleep to negative, woke up to positive, in my opinion. I know people they really got jokes. All I can say is they're cute. They're cute. If you know, you know. So that's probably all I have to say about that. And you know, usually we're coming in over there. But I thought this would be a better one to come in on. I don't like making my videos long. Just give you a little something to look at. And I might do another one on the way back when I decided to go back. But I hope I've given y'all something just to look at and say, you know what? It's beautiful out here. It really is. So with that, go where you're celebrated. Have fun doing it. Because I'm going to continue to do the same thing. Regardless of who likes it or who doesn't like it, I don't care. You shouldn't either. You really shouldn't. So for that, everybody have a good day.